Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. And today we get right into the video. As y'all can see, I'm doing a style with the headband wig, and let me tell y'all, when y'all see the end results, y'all gonna be like, girl, that look like your real hair. So we're gonna get right into this video, but before we do, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and follow me on all my social medias. So let's get into it. Alright, so today I am working on freshly washed hair. I just had my hair in 2 braids and I took them out so that I can do this style for you guys. So what I'm going to do first is start parting my hair. So the goal for this hairstyle is to have a side part, and I'm going to sleek that side part down, and then the rest is just going to be super big, poofy, and curly, and that's what I'm going for. So I'm going to start by just parting a square right here in front. The section that I parted, I'm just going to braid that down to get it out the way. So I have this spray bottle that's filled with water and conditioner, and I'm just applying some of that onto my hair so that I can sleek my hair down into a bun. Not really sleek it, but just get it as laid as possible so that I can put a wig cap over it. I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Eco Styler gel just to lay it down some more because the water didn't really do what I needed it to do. You don't really need to add any gel if you don't want to. Like, if you just want this to be as simple as possible. I just did it because it was my preference. Here I'm just putting my hair into a low bun. Honestly, you won't be able to see this because the wig is super curly and poofy. Now it's time to put the wig cap on, and y'all know when that wig cap come on, it's time to put the wig on. But I'm using honestly, it doesn't matter what color wig cap you use because you won't be able to see it. So I'm just using a beige color. This is just a wig cap I've already had and that I always use when using this wig. So this wig has 4 clips, 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. And it also comes with a latch on the headband itself because this is a headband wig. So when putting the wig on, you want to use the first clip at the top and latch that onto your hair. And then from there, you want to use the 2 clips on the side. And then for the headband itself, you want to just tuck that in at the top so that you can't see it. And then use the latch on the back of that headband to tie it tighter if you need to. And sorry if I'm speaking fast, you can always go back. And I'm also showing you guys as I'm speaking about it. So hope you guys get it. Alright y'all, sorry for the quality change. I'm recording on my phone now because my camera overheated, but what I'm doing is kind of just fluffing out the hair to get it to how I want it to be, or try to get a picture of how I want it to look before I work on that section that I parted earlier. I am taking a bobby pin and pinning that hair right there so that it can cover the headband itself and also that section that's under that hair. So this section right here is what's going to make the look come all together. So I'm just taking my Eco Styler gel and slicking this section down. Right here, I'm just applying my Shine and Gem Edge Control. This is just going to seal down everything so that everything can stay.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. When nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. With the footballs.
I did end up grabbing the blow dryer just so that the process can go by quicker, because I do have really thick hair and my hair will not stay sleek like that if I don't blow dry it or if I don't put a scarf on until it dries. Like, y'all see that? Y'all see how I let it go and it stayed like that? So if y'all do this style, make sure to do that if you have really thick hair. This is a game changer for sure.
OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from?
Now I'm just gonna go in with my bobby pins and just basically pin up that area right there.
Searching for the bag, young nigga wildin', throwing up flag, shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope, or the brush like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson.
Here I'm kind of just moving the hair around so that it can cover that part that I bobby pinned. And when I tell y'all it's coming together, like, y'all see it, y'all see the look, like, it's bomb. And if y'all see me do a little twist, that's just me twisting my natural hair together with the wig so that it can blend. And then that piece that I just brought down right there, that's just covering the headband wig, and then I'm bobby pinning it so that you can't see the headband wig, because unfortunately this wig came with a blue headband instead of a black. But I'm not even complaining. I'm not even complaining because I spent less than $50 on this wig. I've wore this wig more than 10 times. So I'm putting y'all on. If y'all want to see where I got this wig from, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And I'll share the link with you, boo. Okay? But you have to be subscribed. If I'm giving you the link, you got to subscribe to the channel. Okay, boo? Y'all already see how I'm feeling myself though. But lastly, I'm gonna go in and do my edges because y'all know I love me some good baby hairs. And this time I'm just doing something really simple and really natural. Some people might not think this is natural, but this is pretty natural to me because I can do some real dramatic edges. So today I'm just doing 2 swoops, and then I'm gonna do me a sideburn swoop and curl the ends so that it can blend in with the wig texture.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Alright, so lastly, this has nothing to do with the hair, but I'm just putting in my jewelry and stuff, my nose rings, my earrings, my necklaces, and all that, because I am going out. So I just wanted to show you guys the last, like the ending results and all of it come together once I got dressed. So I am going to show you guys my fit, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to leave you guys some pictures. So this is my fit. Do not play with me, okay? But I have on some knee-high leather boots with some leather shorts. I have on a white button-up shirt, and to kind of spaz it up a little bit, or not spaz it up a little bit, but dazzle it up a little bit, I just put it over the shoulder, didn't button it up all the way, and I tucked it into my shorts. And to bring a little color to it, I decided to use my orange purse. And right here, I'm just spraying on my perfume and stuff to smell a little good, smell a little fresh, okay? So yeah, this is the fit with the hair. So bomb, so cute. If you guys want to see pictures, I will leave some at the end of this video. And also, there are some pictures right now on my Instagram. So make sure to go follow me, y'all. I do reels, get ready with me reels. I just be posting more content on Instagram. So if y'all want to get in tune with that, make sure to follow me on my social medias. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Okay? Look at me feeling myself. Like, y'all know I was in that mirror all night. But yeah, y'all, peace and blessings. Thank y'all so much for watching.